Welcome back to the Racing for ALS channel. Today we're going to be talking about wheels. Now, not just any wheels, we're going to be talking about the wheels that you're going to use on track in a race type environment or a high speed environment. So wheels and tires are critical obviously to the performance and the safety of your on track vehicle. So what I'm going to be doing today is show you how I clean the wheels and then inspect the wheels to ensure you can be safe on track. Let's get into the video.
Hey, just as kind of an update to one of the earlier videos, the wear is still looking very good with the alignment settings. If you'll check the card above right there, where I'm pointing to on the video, you'll see the alignment video, but I'm getting pretty even front tire wear with the new alignment settings. This is actually after 3 track days on 3 Rs, and looks like I'm easily going to get 4. So alignment's working out good. So here's what we're going to be using today. It's a 50/50 diluted simple green cleaner, nothing fancy. You can get it at Home Depot. Plastic brush. We'll use a Mother's R3 racing rubber remover in case we have some marks that just won't come off, and then we just use an old wash mitt. You do not want to mix this up with your on the car paint wash mitt, but this is just what I use for wheels, and it's an old piece of junk. And just a pro tip, you can use wheel chocks or something else just to make sure that the tires and wheels don't try to escape. So when you're cleaning your wheels, you also want to check them for cracks, bends, lip damage. You want to make sure that they're in good shape. You can see here that I've got a lot of gunk on the inside of the wheel. So we're going to blast it off with simple green and a hose, and then let it soak, and then we'll get it cleaned up. Alright, so we want to put simple green on them after we sprayed them down, and we just want to let it soak, but we do not want to let it dry on the wheels or the tires. And simple green is pretty cheap, so just go crazy with it. Don't try to save it. We're going to use our plastic brush and just get the sidewall of the tire. And then we'll use our wash mitt. Get it wet first. The reason I like to use a wash mitt is you can get up around all the spokes. Then we'll get the barrel. So all this racing rubber will just really pretty much wipe right off with the mitt and the simple green. Again, this is why we want to use an old wash mitt and make sure that we do not use it on any painted surfaces on the car's paint. So Grassroots Motorsports had an article in their magazine about a year or 2 ago that was really going through why wheels, not the tires, but the wheels are actually consumables. And in a track car, it's going to see a lot more abuse in a car on the street, so they're not infinite use items. So you want to check the lip, you want to check the barrel, you want to check the hub and all the spokes to make sure that there's no cracking or bending or anything that might compromise the safety of the wheel. And then on top of that, most wheel manufacturers like Apex recommend that you replace the wheel, not repair it, due to its severe use. So Apex has a really great program that I've used before, where you send them a damaged wheel and they'll send you a wheel that's equivalent in terms of finish and size for half off. So that's a great program, a good reason to check out Apex race parts. So the wheels look really good. We just had to use simple green and nothing else on them, and the rubber's nice and clean. It looked great on the car, and we'll be able to inspect the wheels and make sure there's no damage. Thank you very much for watching. If you have different ideas on how to clean your race wheels and tires, please put them in the comments below. And as always, please like and subscribe. See you on the next video.